Okay, welcome to Native Ghana Media. My name is Kojo Kashis. Right now, news update Ayensa Air Kane said the Ghana Armed Force has revealed that an Air Force helicopter Z9 en route to Obuasi in the Ashanti region is currently off the radar. Yes, that was the news that we got earlier the day. So, in a statement, Ghana Air Force explained that the helicopter took off from Accra at 9:12 a.m. on Wednesday, August 16, 2025. This helicopter that got missing earlier this morning, report says that the helicopter has crashed. So on board were 8 people, including the Minister for Defense, Dr. Omane Boamah. Attorney General Julius Deborah has briefed Ghanaians concerning the helicopter that went on missing. That was later reported to crash, that all the 8 members on the helicopter are dead.
Persons in the tragic crash. Dr. Edward Kofi Omane Boamah, Minister for Defense. Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Mutala Muhammad, MP, Minister for Environment, Science and Technology. Alhaji Muniru Mohammed Lemuna, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator and former Minister for Food and Agriculture. Dr. Samuel Sapon, Vice Chairman of the National Democratic Congress. And Mr. Samuel Abuaji, a former parliamentary candidate. Squadron Leader Peter Bafemi Anala, Flying Officer Manin Chum Ampedu, and Sergeant Ernest Ado Mensah. The President and government extends our condolences and sympathies to the families of our comrades and the servicemen who died in service to the country. All flags are to fly at half-mast until further notice. Thank you.
Medicine nananom se miwie na mahumi a yenya emergency bi maha esoro ho yakone yeba etimi MC fo ni bi ni commanders ni bi yebetu na yakwakọ handle sa emergency ni kakra ministers aka wa chire no mbere na adwumadie ni de aka ni na no mahwe no mahyehyɛ e de amaye me ye sure se ebetumi awie emergency problem no ni asaba ababeka mo ho ansa na mapo ba ma huye na se ewie na ni MCs ni bi kwa na nya ne mo ho sem na adwuma bi na abasensi e wase yakotu mana mo me besia na madamu nyina masima ko fonsha no.
And that there is Ashanti Regional Minister. Right. Just confirming, he was speaking in Twi, but basically what he was saying is that he needed to leave abruptly to go and attend to an emergency. The emergency we now know is what the Ghana Armed Forces is now confirming to be one helicopter of theirs, a Z9, that they have lost contact with. Currently, in technical terms, is missing. They are trying to establish contact with this particular helicopter. But reports that we've now had from both our reporters on the ground and other multiple sources say this may be a crash that he now was pointing out as an emergency that he had to now leave this event and attend to.
Nipa four, and then wo. Baako de one yes I don't know.
Me video we no da. Me video about the Johnny Damu nyina ye dipa na ehye sa.